So I'm at Deer Creek and I have just been fishing about maybe between 10 feet off the shore to about 20 feet off the shore, just with a worm and a split shot. It's a really simple setup. Just the wind's been moving the waves, and I've been slowly bouncing the worm along the bottom of the lake, and that's how we can catch a fish. We've also had some success with a worm under a bobber, probably about 18 inches under a bobber. It's been pretty good so far. One thing that seems to be working okay is this white curly-tailed jig, pink jig head with a little piece of night crawler.